I fired up.
Fired up. You fired up.
Fired.
Get us both blowing smoke.
I guarantee you can't see nothing but that horizon right now. Which way? That way?
I think it was this one.
I thought it was that way.
That ain't good. Well, one go that way, one go that way, one go that way. See, he's back in there. You said it's just gonna be 6 or 7.
Got a hen?
Sure, land for you. That's got a little couple. Yeah. That might be the one we need up there. What's that? One that's gobbling no more. That's what they gobble all the time. He's down the road towards this one. Edge of the field. So it seems like. Far from the corner of it. Let's get up on this top here and just set up. Set that thing across that field. Sounds like it. I'll make it on this side. This one. Gets a little thick right in there. So we'll try to get on that hump right there. You think I'm coming down this way? I'd like to be right up there on that high spot.
I know, but once you grass, he's going to probably see it.
Mean bar. We'll sit right here. I'm trying to go. Try to get him over that edge. Yeah. Is that one on the ground over there? Yeah, I think he is. We'll start reeling him and I'll flip around the tree. That one's coming. Sounds like getting closer. Still in the tree. If this one gets hit close to the danger zone, I'll slide around that way. This one's moving left. Probably, I guess, out in that field. Saw someone coming to us. Right, let's stop. Let's see him.
Unfortunately, Jared chose to bring the 410 this morning instead of his 12 gauge. Of course, this gobbler skirted us about 45 yards. In hindsight, I think this longbeard that crossed the field was coming all the way across to go to this other turkey that was closest to us. He just happened to swing by and check us out on his way.
Down my gun barrel, I think. He's right there, don't move. You can probably see us. Somewhere around him.
The gobbler that just walked by stayed on the backside of that little hill from us and eventually worked his way back out to the field that he had crossed originally. He got back out there and went to gobbling pretty good, so Jared made a move to try to get up on the edge of the field, and we were going to try to call him back. As he was trying to get in position, a couple jakes walked right up on top of him and kind of pinned him down. This went on for a little bit and they finally left. We were able to go to another turkey that was gobbling. We stayed on that turkey for a little bit, but he wouldn't ever come to us and the woods were too open to move on him much. So we bailed out of there. And then around midday, we finally found another gobbler on the edge of a field. We tried to get around and move on him. The wind picked up pretty good, so we could crawl a little bit, but you had to be right on top of him for him to answer a call. We worked around the backside of this block of timber where we knew a couple longbeards were. We figured we should be within 300 or 400 yards of them.
They can't get that far if they heard a good one. I don't know how thick it is between us.
I don't either.
They were right there, wasn't it?
Can't be
It wasn't that far. We heard them that clean.
I need to find a place in the shade.
We didn't feel great about this setup. The woods in here are real junky, which can help you in certain situations, but it's also tough for turkeys to get to you sometimes. There's a lot of blowdowns and just trash in the woods.
Get up here a little bit.
You can't go far. They're not on the other side of these trees.
Come down that field, I hate you.
We gotta get to a shade.
Get right up on that next tree. I ain't got nothing on the field now. Unless I stand up. Might stand up. I can see this playing out. Dadgummit. Should've stayed back there. They just right on the other side of that thicket.
Is that a ditch? It's in a ditch. Sounds like that one over the hill across from us.
Yeah.
Maybe there's a ditch of water or something.
Hung up.
These gobblers would answer us pretty well, but seemed to be hung up on something. We weren't really sure what it was, so we got really aggressive and started trying to close as much distance as possible. It's kind of open, but it's still thick, so it's a tricky situation.
It's at the best position. I need to crawl up there in that cluster. I'd be in the game, man.
Jared crawled up just a little bit more, and I think he got about as far as he could go without bumping them. So we're just going to have to sit here and wait and see what they do. The turkeys finally broke and started coming to us just a little bit. These gobblers knew how to keep just enough between us that we couldn't get a shot. They stayed in this spot strutting and gobbling for probably 15 minutes or so. Finally walked off because they couldn't see a hen.
Morning.
How you feeling?
Rough. Defeated.
You're supposed to say dangerous.
I'm feeling dangerous. I gotta get out of this rough stage.
Yeah.
See if he can get a spot on. He's probably 150, 150, I'd say. Yeah. Where you want? Where do you think we can get? I was thinking maybe. Remember it opens up right here. I mean, I think he'll come through this. Yeah, probably need to sit here. At least wait till he gets on the ground. I don't feel great about it. Deer running right to him.
We chased that turkey most of the morning and never could really catch up to him. He seemed too preoccupied chasing off other turkeys. We finally got back in the truck, headed towards those two we had hunted the day before in that thick spot, hoping we could get them struck up in the middle of the day. This was mine and Jared's last day to hunt. There was some bad weather that was going to come later that night, so we weren't going to get to hunt the next morning. We were certainly running out of time to get a turkey killed, and with the wind blowing like it wasn't making things any easier on us.
Pointed at him. So I'm struck. $60. To the left or right of me? Straight down the gun. I think that's awesome. He's struck. Where? Where's he at from that log going horizontal? Smith, right if you got his anything. And that gap right there. Yeah. Is it killable? Oh, well. You're going to come a little bit. It's in a good position. No, it's not. I can't move. I don't know
about his fan.
You see him?
Yeah, I see his head. He's coming left.
Coming left. Tell me if he's in range. You on him? Well, I can shoot him. I can't see him yet. It's thick. Ready?
Shoot him. He went left. He went left. Hey! Left! 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 Yeah! Oh my God. I was hoping you'd see that thing. You hit him,
I know.
but it wasn't good.
They were walking crazy. That the fan you saw?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh man.
Big old beard. Thick beard.
I'm glad you saw that sucker. Did they come that fast
He
or was
struggled.
misjudged?
He got up in the top right here and he struggled. But he couldn't fly, obviously.
I heard him, I just couldn't see him.
Yeah. He was very cautious. That's why I told you to shoot.
I didn't want to shoot because it was like this.
Get that shot.
Appreciate it, Mike. Took two, but
Got the bone out.
no. I jumped on it.
Boy, he come quick, didn't he?
Yeah.
That's what I asked.
I saw him. He strutted. And he was right
Did we
there.
misjudge him or did he come that
He
fast?
must have.
I think we missed. I think both.
Both a little?
Wind's this way, so we could have.
Because he said, get down and see him. He's 60. I said, 60?
He was in that
He was
little.
just like 150.
Yeah.
He was cautious coming in, but he was
He said
calm.
he had a messed up fan.
Yeah, I said he got a gap in his fan.
That was, he said that was there before I shot him.
It was.
They looking bad.
He knocked him down and he started running. And he got caught up in that top. And he kept running this way. Jared was running that way looking. I said, left, left, left.
Well, I seen him go left. And then I heard something, but I couldn't see him. And he said left, left. I kept looking. He was down like this, just walking fast.
I was sprinting straight after him. I didn't know if I was going to have to tackle him or what.
Good beard, huh?
Hey, there's a monkey off my back.
You gotta be proud of that snag.
I didn't care if he didn't have a feather on him. How far do you think he was?
45?
You say he's pushing 50. I didn't want to shoot.
Had to. I think he was about to leave.
In about 5 seconds time, the last 2 days it flashed in my head.
Yeah. That was about as good as it's gotten.
Yeah.
I'll open that fan up. Let me see it.
He's got about 7 of them.
didn't miss it.
Well, something bit them because they're half. Right there.
What do I do with this now?
Been doing some strutting. My wing broke. Were you on his head the last shot?
That's a bush league shot.
Knife on you?
It's right there.
What's the date?
First. Second.
Second. Wrapping on his foot?
You don't need this one?
No, you just hang on to that.
On his leg?
Yeah. Or wherever. Yeah, just put him on the leg.
Okay.
Well, that feels good.
Yeah, it does. He's got a daggum rope.
Haven't seen any secondaries.
With just a few hours of daylight left, we jumped in the truck, took a little drive back down to Indiana. We still had one tag left for Indiana, so we were trying to find one before dark.
Solid right there. Not right there. Not right there. Here, hold on. You can try.
We were striking out everywhere we went. We bumped one gobbler and we thought the day was over after that. With about 30 minutes left of fly-up time, we found this longbeard with about 4 or 5 hens out in the field. Jared and Skylar got out and tried to make a loop to get between the gobbler and where he was going to roost at and see if they could intercept him. And about 6 or 7 minutes after he went over the hill, I heard a gunshot.
Here's like having some of a gun though. Holy cow. Pretty good one. Oh my gosh. That's a unique one. You got 2 of those. No, that's what I was going to say. I can take the good parts on both of them, have one pretty good bird. Take the fan off of this one, the beard off of them. The guy giving America. That's all. He was looking out for me. I know there's turkeys around here. We ain't seen them today. I'd say, I can't believe it. Cannot believe it. I mean, from the time he was up on that high hill and he was looking at us the whole time. I mean, like, he'd stare at me. He said, cautious, but he was following them hens. Just kept coming. I said the hens were close. When I got up there, I tried to call both of them because the hens were on top of the roll. He was still on my side. He strutted. And then as soon as he got to the top, he never strutted. He strutted after he saw us, though. Yeah. I mean, right there before he dropped off.
Yeah. I mean, I didn't see him ever.
Thank you, Jesus, because that's the only way that one happened.
That's what I said the whole way.
The whole, yeah. Yeah, I think all of them. I thought it was going to come and kill the turkey this bad. Oh, God. I grabbed him, slung him over my neck, and I thought it was There's a coming, boy.
Now that's a heck of a day to ride back to Alabama on. 2 gobblers in 2 different states from a brother. We had 3 good days of turkey hunting with Skylar. He's become a good friend over the past several years. We got on quite a few turkeys, but they just weren't quite acting right. Kind of like they didn't want to die. But we ended the trip with a few good opportunities and made them count. Indiana and Michigan will always be 2 of my favorite states to hunt because of big eastern gobblers.